Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find focus filter or focus effect on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effect gallery, and here you have to go to new, and in new scroll up. Okay, and this is the filter. Remember the image. Okay, tap on it, and this is the effect. I don't know why they put the lipstick. So if you're not finding it here in the effect gallery, you can go to discover and you can search for focus and go to hashtag. Here tap on focus challenge. Now tap on any video you want, and at the bottom you can see this focus effect icon is there. Tap on it. This is the effect page. Now at the bottom tap on this record button. It will download the effect. Okay, and you got this effect. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.